Lumahok ang Division Public Affairs Team ng 7 Infantry Kaugnay Division sa 2 araw na Amiyanan Media Channel Capability Enhancement Training na inulunsad ng Northern Luzon Command, Armed Forces of the Philippines sa Camp Serviliano Aquino, San Miguel, Tarlac. Kabilang sila sa 40 estudyante buhat sa Public Affairs at Civil Military Operations o Battalion S7 ng iba't ibang unit sa NOLCOM na nagsanay sa photo at video editing, pagsulat ng balita at pagbuo ng social media content. Kasama ritong dumalo ang Joint Task Force o JTF Kaugnay, JTF Tala, JTF Karagatan, Tactical Operations Wing Northern Luzon, Army Support Command, Tactical Operations Group 3, Philippine Air Force, 1st Installation Management Battalion, 522 Engineering Construction Battalion at 3rd Mechanized Battalion Armored Division, Philippine Army.
Patunayan ko is yung mga basic journalist, broadcasting, editing, ganyan.
Sinabi ni Northern Luzon Command Public Information Office Chief Lieutenant Colonel Rodrigo Lutao Jr. na makatutulong ang nasabing pagsasanay upang mas mapaunlad ang kapasidad ng kasundaluhan na sumusuporta sa layunin ng Northern Luzon Command na mapaigting ang paghahatid ng totoo at maaasahang impormasyon sa publiko.
Ang pinaka-main objective natin is to upgrade or enhance yung technical capability ng ating mga personnel when it comes to photo, video editing, news writing, and the production of social media output in support to the accomplishment of public affairs mission and in support further to the accomplishment of NOLCOM's mission.
Nagsilbing panauhing pandangal sa closing program ng Amiyanan Media Channel Capability Enhancement Training ang acting chief ng Unified Command Staff Northern Luzon Command na si Colonel Benjamin Daniel Tiangco.
Mula dito sa Camp Serviliano Northern Luzon Command, San Miguel, Tarlac, ako si Sunshine Cazar, ang inyong kaugnay.